Good morning students, this is Haimavati, your maths teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Students, already we discussed about numbers up to 10,000 and Roman numbers. In numbers up to 10,000 we have discussed about place values. Place values are ones, tens, 100, 1000. Up to 1000 we discussed. Now large numbers. Okay, large numbers. Okay, so first in the write the numbers and their number name. Okay, so we have to write the numbers and we have to write their number names. Okay, before going to that we have to write place values. Place values give from right numbers ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, so here also write ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, here some figures are given. Here in hundreds place only one box. Write here 1, and in tens place 3 boxes are given. Write here 3. Okay, now in ones place 1, 2, 3, 4 given. Okay, so 4 figures are given here. Like this, you have to write the number. Okay, so we written already number, and we have to write their number names. Okay, we have to write their number names. What is this number? 134. What is this number? 134. Write here 134. Okay. So in hundreds place 1. So 100. The hundred spelling HUNDRED. 100. Okay. In tens place 3. 30. In ones place 4. So the total number is 134. Okay. 134. Here in hundreds place only one box. So we are writing in hundreds place 1, and in tens place 3 boxes. So we are writing 3 in tens place, and in ones place 4. So we are writing here 4. Now second question. So ones, tens, hundreds. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds. Okay, here also write down place values ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, now in hundreds place 2 boxes are given. In hundreds place 2. So write here 2, and in tens place 4. Okay, in tens place 4 bars. Write here 4, and in ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is given. Okay, in hundreds place 2. Next in tens place 4. In ones place 5. So the number is 245. The number is 245. Now we are writing the number name. So in hundreds place is 2. So write here 2. 2 is in hundreds place. 2 is in hundreds place. 200. Okay. 200. See here 200. Next in tens place 4. In tens place 4 means tens place 4 means 45. 245. Okay, in tens place 4 now, so we are written 4. So in ones place 5. So we are writing here 5. So the total number is 245. 245. Okay, 245. Okay, now 40 spelling is F-O-R-T-Y. 5 spelling is F-I-V-E. Okay, 100 spelling H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. 245. Okay, next third question. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Right here up to thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay, now in thousands place what? 4 boxes are given. thousands place? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are writing here 4. Okay, next in hundreds place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. How many is given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in hundreds place? 5. Next in tens place? 2. In tens place? 2. Next in ones place? 1. Okay. In thousands place? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here 4. In hundreds place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in hundreds place 5. In tens place 2 boxes. So we are writing here 2, and in ones place 1. So the number is 4,521. Okay, the number is 4,521. Okay, so 4 is in thousands place. So we are writing here 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is in hundreds place. So 5. Next 2 in tens place. 2. 1 is in ones place. Okay, so the number is 4,521. Okay, 4. Okay, thousand spelling THOUSAND. 4,500. 5 spelling FIV. 100 spelling HUNDRED. Okay, 4,521. Okay, 20 spelling TWENTY. 20. TWENTY. 21. ONE 1. Okay, 4,521. Okay, now once again I will repeat. Write the numbers and their number names. Okay, now here some figures are given. We have to write the number. Also we have to write number name. Here only one box is given. So write in hundreds place 1. So next in tens place 3 boxes. Here write 3. And in ones place 1, 2, 3, 4 given. So write here 4. So the number is 134. The number is 134. Now 1 spelling will be 100. HUNDRED 100. Next 34. THIRTY 30. FOUR 4. Okay, now first one completed. Now second one. Now here in ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is given here 5. So write here 5 in ones place. Next in tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 given. So write here in tens place 4. And hundreds place 2 boxes given here. Write in hundreds place 2. So the number is 245. So 245. 2 spelling TWO2. Okay, 100 spelling HUNDRED 100. 45. FORTY 40. FIV 5. Okay, next third one. Write the place values here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay, here also write down ones, tens, 100,000. Next in thousands place 4 boxes given. Write here in thousands place 4. And here in hundreds place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls given. Write here hundreds place 5. And tens place 2. So write here 2. And in ones place 1. So the number is 4,521. Okay, the number is 4,521. So write here 4 spelling FOUR 4. 1000 THOUSAND 1000. FIV 5. HUNDRED 100. TWENTY 20. ONE 1. Okay. Now second bit, write the numbers and their number names. Here also we have to write the numbers and also we have to write the number names. So first here write the place values ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, write here ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, now in ones place how many bits are given here? 2. Write here 2. Next in tens place 1. Next in hundreds place place 3 beads are given. Write here 3. Okay, so the number is 312. Okay, so we are writing the number name now. 3 THREE 3 100 HUNDRED 100 312 TWELVE 312. Next, now second one, here write the place values. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, write ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, now in ones place how many beads here? 1, 2, 3. Write here 3. Now in tens place 1, 2. Write 2. And in hundreds place 1, 2, 3, 4. Write here 4. So the number is 423. The number is 423. Write your number name 4 HUNDRED 100 20 TWENTY 23 THRE 3. Okay. Now next third one, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. Now here also write ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, now ones place 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads. Next in tens place 1, 2, 3. 3 beads. In hundreds place 1, 2. Next in thousands place 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 beads. So the number is 3234. Okay, the number is 3234. Okay, right here 3000 THOUSAND 3200 HUNDRED 234 THIRTY 30 FOUR 4. Okay, the number is 3234. Thousand spelling THOUSAND 1000. Next here hundred spelling HUNDRED 100. So first we are writing place values and we are writing the number name. Next your fourth one, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, right here also ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, next in ones place how many beads children? 1. So right here 1. Next in tens place how many beads? 1, 2. Right here 2. Next in the hundreds place 1, 2, 3. So 3 beads. Next in thousands place 1, 2, 3, 4 beads. Okay. So we are counting the beads and we are writing the numbers. Okay. Next here the number name is 4321. Okay, 4000. Why we are writing here 4 in thousands place children? So we are giving here place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, and we are counting the beads. Okay, in ones place 1 bead. So we are writing here 1, and in tens place 1, 2, 2. Okay, next hundreds place how many beads? 1, 2, 3. So we are writing 3. Next in thousands place 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Okay, so now we are writing the number name. 4 in thousands place 4,000 THOUSAND 1000. 300 HUNDRED 100. 21 TWENTY only 1. Okay children, like this we have to do. First we are writing the place values ones, tens, hundreds, and we are counting the beads according to the places. Okay, so here 2 beads, so we are writing in ones place 2, and in tens place 1 bead, so we are writing here 1. Next in hundreds place 1, 2, 3 beads, so here 3. So the number is 312. Now second one is ones place 1, 2, 3. So right here 3, and in tens place 2 beads. Right here 2, and in hundreds place 1, 2, 3, 4. So right here 4. So the number is 423. Next, so here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay, here 4 beads. Right here 4. Next 3 beads. Right here 3. Next in hundreds place 2 beads. Next in thousands place 3. Now the number is 3234. Next one, ones, tens, 100,000. Ones, tens, 100,000. Now count the beads and write here. The number is 4321. Okay, children. Now children, third bit. Draw beads to show the numbers. Okay, so here a number is given. So we have to draw the beads for here. Now write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Here also write ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay, so now in ones place, how many beads here? 4. Draw 4 beads here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next in tens place 3. So draw here 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Next in hundreds place 2. So draw here 2. 1, 2. Next in thousands place 1. So we are drawing here 1. Okay, now here in ones place 4. So we are drawing here 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next in tens place 3. So 1, 2, 3. Next in hundreds place 2, 1, 2. Next in thousands place 1, draw here 1. Next here one more number is given. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Here also give place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousand. Okay, in how many? In ones place, how many beads? 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In ones place 9. So we draw here 9 beads. Next in tens place 1. So draw here 1. Next in hundreds place 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next in thousands place 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the number is 3419. The number is 3419. Next, one more number is given. Write the place values here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay. Now in ones place 0 beads. Okay. Write here place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. In ones place 0. So no need of drawing. Next in tens place also 0. No need of drawing. Next in hundreds place 2. So here in hundreds place we have to draw 2 beads. 1, 2. Next in thousands place 7 we have. So 7 beads you have to draw here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. How many beads here? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beads. Okay. Like this we have to draw the beads for the given numbers. Okay. Children. Now worksheet. Write the numbers and their number names. Okay. So we have to write the numbers and also you have to write the number names. Okay. Here beads given. So you have to write first place values, ones, tens, hundreds, and count the beads and write the number name. Here second question. Here also write the place values and count the beads and write the number name. Next second question. Write the numbers and their number names. Okay, here some figures are given. You have to mention the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, and here also give ones, tens, hundreds, and write the number names. In hundreds place 2 boxes, so you count and write here. And here also same. Second question, ones, tens, hundreds. So in hundreds place 3 boxes. In tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 boxes, 6 balls. Next in ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, like this you count the figures and write the number name, children. Thank you, children. I hope you are understood very well.